Hi everyone, how are you? I'm Yusuf, and today I will show you how to clean and make your computer, your laptop, your PC run faster. To make your computer, your laptop run as fast as possible, follow the below easy and simple steps. Step 1. You will learn how to clean your computer. Click Start button or press Windows key. Click All Programs. Now click Accessories, then click System Tools. Now open Disk Cleanup. Now Disk Cleanup will be opened. Press OK button. After pressing on it, you will watch a new window. Again will come out, which shows the processing or scanning for errors and others extra materials that taken some spaces on your hard disk. After complete scanning process, you will watch a new box come out again, which will ask you to select the check boxes which you want to delete and make your space free to run computer faster. Here we recommend to select all the options. After checking all the boxes, click on the OK button as shown. After pressing OK button, your computer asks for confirmation. Click on the Delete Files button as shown. After pressing Deleting Files button, your computer starts deleting all unwanted files and errors. Step 2. In Step 2, you will learn how to make your computer, laptop, PC run faster using Disk Defragment tool. Click Start button or simply press Windows key. Click All Programs. Click Accessories. Then click System Tools. Now open Disk Defragment. A new window will come out. Disk Defragmenter window as shown. Now click on C drive, then click Analyze Disk button. Then click on Other drive if you have, then click on Analyze Disk button as shown. After doing it, wait for a while until your disk analyzation will complete. If your disk is fragmented, then select Disk and click Defragment Disk button as shown. After clicking on it, your disk defragmentation will start processing. Wait for a while. After completing this process, you will watch that 0% fragment. Now your disk is fully defragmented. Step 3. Now in the third step, you will again learn how to make your computer, laptop, PC run faster after deleting temporary files from your C driver. Go to Start button or simply press Windows key. Type Run command. Here type this command %temp% and click Enter. After performing the above action, a new window will come out containing all your computer's temporary unwanted files and folders. Delete all those materials or simply press Ctrl A, then press Shift Delete to delete it. Now your computer will run faster than previous. If you like my video, please leave a comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay up to date with my latest video. Thank you so much.